Hi everyone, here is the Between series where simple but amazing thoughts are shared. Today it's Promoted, which is about being a great teacher. A teacher beginning at a standard level can move on to become good and finally great. Let's see how to reach this ultimate level. The world evolves continually and it demands the teacher to evolve professionally. The chorus to sing to be great is scrupulous. Failing to fathom the planet changes and developments in the field of education would not lead to progress. One thing that a teacher should follow closely is the way the world progresses, because a teacher has to be conversant with the changes and developments so as to formulate professional short-term and long-term goals and plans. One should not hesitate to implement these plans at the appropriate time. There should be a seamless integration of ideas. Also, teachers can check the updates from various international organizations that create a global educational trend. We need not feel daunted about the global changes in the educational sphere. Rather, we can be expectant of changes and look forward to these. A great teacher learns continuously and quickly adapts to the outside changes. A teacher's forte is the adaptability to change and progress. Next, understanding student community is more important than simply possessing knowledge. For effective knowledge transfer, an encyclopedic understanding about the process of teaching learning is essential. A great teacher will stay focused to achieve the goals and not get distracted, but have a clear purpose which will help to explore the educational landscape and move forward. A teacher should get engrossed in reading and thinking, rather obsessed. This is linked with growth mindset, which will not allow to settle down for anything less. The nature of work and professional encounters one faces will definitely not be the same for all, but an untrained teacher will handle such confrontations with ease, intellect, and pliability. As a great teacher, we must have a clear insight into matters and make tenable alterations where necessary to find solutions. Teachers can attend to microscopic details and not ignore anything small. This nature will help one to value everything and everyone. A teacher has to focus on the role assigned. The vision should not be distorted and will help one to wade through. It is not necessary to think about work all the time, but a great teacher will be anchored well. The abstemious principles of life will help to glide through the professional landscape with assurance. Teachers have to be principled to effuse greater energy and motivation. If one has to ace being great, it is by being assertive and consummate. Additionally, a teacher is expected to have integrity and virtues to influence the young positively, as students look up to a teacher and emulate. A great teacher values time, as it is an investment made for the children and it is the most precious resource. Children attend school for close to 15 years, and great teachers develop students in a great fashion who will be prepared for life. Great teachers spend more time in reading and thinking rather than in personal indulgence or mundane conversations. A great teacher will be an achiever herself. To stay hooked on to the aims and goals of teaching, one should not indulge in coffee tattles at workplace. One should feel twitchy to spend time on activities that will rob one's time from doing things that are productive. Anyone can become a great teacher if they want to. To graduate into a great teacher, one should have greater aspirations. It's simply not following rules. It's rather having a signature style of teaching and ensuring learning among children. Great teachers give children hope of life, joy of living, and a sense of purpose. Be passionate about work and constantly work on yourself to becoming a great teacher. Wish you success. If you are amazed by this video, do share with others.